Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use projectors in OBS Studio. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to display your preview or multi-view on a separate monitor, giving you more control over your streaming or recording setup. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main interface, direct your attention to the preview area in the center of your screen. This is where you normally see your scene composition before it goes live or gets recorded. Now, right-click anywhere inside this preview area. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Preview Projector and hover your mouse over it. This will expand into a submenu showing all the available monitors connected to your computer. Go ahead and select the monitor you want to use for the projector from this list. This allows you to send your preview to any display you have connected, which is perfect for multi-monitor setups. Once you select your monitor, a new projector window will immediately open on that display. This window shows your preview content and will automatically expand to full screen mode, giving you a clean, distraction-free view of your scenes. This full screen projector is especially helpful during live streams or presentations when you need to monitor your output on a dedicated screen. When you're done using the projector and want to close it, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will instantly close the projector window and return you to your normal OBS interface. It's a quick and easy way to toggle your projector on and off without navigating through menus. Alternatively, there's another method you can use to access projectors in OBS. In the upper left corner of the OBS window, click on View in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Multi-View. This option gives you access to a different type of projector that displays multiple scenes at once, which can be incredibly useful for monitoring several scenes simultaneously during complex productions. Just like before, when you hover over Multi-View, you'll see a list of your available monitors. Select your preferred monitor from this list, and OBS will open a Multi-View projector on that display. The Multi-View shows all your scenes in a grid format, making it easy to see everything at a glance and switch between scenes quickly. To return to the main OBS interface from the Multi-View, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. This closes the Multi-View projector and brings you back to your regular workspace. And that's it. You've now learned how to use projectors in OBS Studio using both the preview projector and multi-view options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.